I'm Stevie Williams, I'm 36, I'm from Gwyliwch and I'm a mechanical engineer NPTC group of colleges, and I'm a finalist for the Cymru Apprenticeship Awards. So since leaving school I went straight into customer service. I've had a wide array of jobs, however I always aspired to become a teacher. I was sent over to work in the central engineering shops in Tata Steel, and that's where I fell in love with engineering, and I made my decision. If the opportunities ever arose, that's where I would go. I've always been a very hands-on type of person, so whenever I got the opportunity to fix anything, rather than paying out for it to be fixed, I would have a go first, and my interest just grew and grew from there. My advice to any women or females looking to go into engineering is don't hesitate. It may seem that it's male-dominated, but it really isn't. You're accepted by everybody, and we as females have a lot to offer engineering. I decided to go for an apprenticeship rather than a full-time course because the key for me was earning while I was learning to support my family right the way through. I also enjoy learning on the job, hands-on experience. Although classroom learning is fantastic, there's opportunities that arrive while you're on the job that you cannot replicate within a classroom. But with my apprenticeship, you're in college for 1 day a week and we work the other 4 days a week. It's really hands-on. By putting the hard work and going the extra mile in my apprenticeship, I managed to complete it 6 months early, and I've already managed to secure the career I dreamed of. It really is what you want to make of it. When I was nominated and found out I'd become a finalist for the Cymru Apprenticeship Awards, it was complete and utter shock and amazement. It is the icing on the cake. It recognises all the hard work and dedication I've tried to put into every job that I've ever done, and not just recognition for myself, but for my colleagues and my mentors. They've been amazing, and it really just does go to show with the right support and by going the extra mile and putting the hard work in, what you can achieve, and that you're recognised for doing it now as well is brilliant. If I was to be able to go back and speak to myself 5 years ago, I would say that opportunities are out there. You've just got to look for them. Believe in yourself. Don't hold back and give it your all. Go for it. What have we got to lose?